Recently, after completion of around 7,000 kilometers, I used this ABRO fuel injector cleaner. While servicing, I removed the throttle body to clean. I got surprised. It was very clean. No need to clean it. So I am recommending, and it is very easy to use. Just need to pour it into the fuel tank before refilling fuel. This product is a fuel injector cleaner, an additive designed to clean and improve the performance of your vehicle's fuel system. When poured into the fuel tank, it helps to remove carbon deposits, gums that built up inside the fuel injectors over time. These deposits can restrict fuel flow, causing poor mileage, rough idling, weak pickup, and engine hesitation. By dissolving these impurities, the cleaner restores fuel spray patterns to the engine, leading to smoother engine performance and better fuel efficiency. The bottle contains 354 milliliters, and it should be used full tank in most of all cars, as instructions also given on the bottle. You simply add the entire bottle to the tank before refueling so it mixes well. Regular use, every 5,000 kilometers, can help maintain clean, smoother, and also improved mileage by 2 to 3 kilometers per liter if the petrol is good quality, which can be measured by density of the fuel, more than 750 per kilogram. That density will be displayed always in bunk. If not, ask them the density of the fuel. Lower than 750 kilograms may give lesser mileage. Now you may think, can we use it always whenever we fill full tank? It's not recommended, and it only cleans the carbon deposits and makes engine run smoothly. Moreover, this one bottle costs is equal to 2 to 3 liters of fuel, so both cost is same. This only for petrol cars. If you want this for diesel cars, there is one